How to install Windows 10 Home 19018 update? I'm using Windows Home Edition. I have the latest update installed 1909. I want to install Docker for Windows 10 Home Edition. It keeps saying, Docker Desktop requires Windows 10 Pro/Enterprise 15063 Plus or Windows 10 Home 19018 Plus. Should I join Windows Insider? How long should I wait for that update to be released if I don't want to join Windows Insider?
Should I join the Windows Insider? Windows 10 version 2004, build 19041, was released on May 27, 2020. How long should I wait for that update to be released if I don't want to join Windows Insider? As of May 27, 2020, you are not required to join the Insider Preview program in order to receive a WSL2 compatible build, 19041 or newer. Last year we announced that Docker had released a preview of Docker Desktop with WSL2 integration. We are now pleased to announce that we have completed the work to enable experimental support for Windows Home WSL2 integration. This means that Windows Insider users in 19040 or higher can now install and use Docker Desktop. To get started with WSL2 Docker Desktop on Windows Home today, you will need to be on Windows Insider Preview build 19040 or higher and install the Docker Desktop Edge 2.2.2.0. Source: Docker Desktop for Windows Home is here.
Seems I had same problem. Windows Live updated saying everything is updated, but from PowerShell if I run get my object class win32_operation system %build number, I get 18,363. So I found this link, this URL. And by clicking to install now, I was able to install the May 2020 update.
If you don't want to wait till late May, you can follow this workaround to enable Hyper-V in containers in Windows 10 Home Edition. This URL. Currently to update to Windows 10, version 2004, build 19041, you will need to join the Windows Insider program and select the release preview rate. The public release should arrive by late May. From this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.